What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be installing a screen swivel mount from Hansshow in my 2026 Model Y Juniper. I previously had my screen swivel mount installed on my 2018 Model 3 before I sold it. They sure have come a long way from upgrading this product over the years. Here's all the tools and pieces that comes with the kit. It's quick and painless. There's really not much to it. It took me about 45 minutes. You can certainly use your own tools. As you can see here, I'm taking my own metal prop tool to pop off this back panel to start the installation, and we're just going to disconnect this temperature sensor wire. I'm taking a little tool here to push in that pin to disconnect the cord, and we're going to set this to the side. The next thing we're going to do is put in the screen clean mode so we don't disrupt it when we're disconnecting it. And now I'm taking my 10mm socket wrench, and there's two bolts, one on the left and right, that we're going to loosen and completely remove these bolts and set them to the side. Once you have those out, we're going to gently pull on the screen. Mine was a little bit difficult. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth until you finally have it loose. Just take your time pulling this until it comes free and set it down onto your microfiber cloth or whatever towel you have there. You notice the cord is very short. There's not much room to work with. And there's a Torx 20 screw, I believe it's a Torx 20 screw on the left and also the right. You can use the included tools with the kit to unscrew this, as I'm doing here. And we're going to set those to the side. Those will be used in the new plastic shroud we're about to put on. You notice how I put the screen upright to remove that plastic shroud. We're going to put those screws to the side. Next, I'm taking my tool to push on the plastic clip to pull out this screen wire. There's two cords you have to disconnect from the screen. Again, just take your time pushing the pins in to disconnect those cords from the screen. Once you have those loose, we're going to pull those wires through that plastic holster or shroud there and put that to the side. We're going to attach the new Hansshow plastic bracket, if you will. Use the original screws we took off earlier. I'm using the tool from the kit, this Torx 20 fitting. Once we have that on, we're going to put on our screen swivel mount. You'll notice it had the letter L on the left. That means it's the top. It's just going to slide right on top, very easy. And now we're going to put the new plastic cover over the top and affix those original bolts we took out earlier, the 10mm screws, and reaffix those into place. Be careful not to over tighten, but make sure it's snug, that won't move, and then we'll reconnect the wires to the screen until they click into place. Finally, take those two screws, we'll affix the screen to the mount. And those two screws are the only two additional screws that come with the kit, and they're going to affix right to the bottom of the screen. Use the included hexagon tool to turn them into place. Be sure not to over tighten. Once you have those affixed, we're going to now work on our temperature sensor. Remember, we have to take this off from the original panel. I'm using my separate tool here to make my life a little easier. We're going to unscrew those two and reaffix the new sensor, or the original sensor I should say, to the new panel. Once you have that affixed and it's snug, we're going to go back to the car and it's going to clip into the bottom portion. Simply connect it back into the sensor. It only goes in one way, you can't mess it up. And it slides in from the bottom, and then we'll affix both sides till it finally clips into place. You may be asking if you notice those screws when sitting in place. Honestly, you can't tell. Unless you're really looking under the screen, you won't be able to see any of that stuff. Looks pretty good from the top though. Sure has been upgraded over time. No complaints on the way it looks actually compared to the last version. And I like that it sits higher, so now you can adjust your phone or grab your phones without hitting the mount or the screen. And now we're going to turn off the clean screen mode, and we can see it now turns 20 degrees to the left, 20 degrees to the right, and 25 degrees up and down. Really no complaints with this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Be sure to use my coupon code to save more money at checkout. Do not pay full price for this. Until the next video, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.